Hello everyone. I'm gonna try to build a ride-on grind off of my shed roof. As of right now, I have no exact plan on how to build this, but I did draw up these plans. Alright, so we have pallets, a little piece of wood here, and we have the ride-on grind into the pew. And yes, I'm 33 and I draw like a child. We're gonna start building this and see how it goes. It's done.
I was not consulted about this, I don't think. This is not what you said.
It's time to walk these dogs, but this is it for the day. I'm very happy on how it turned out. It is extremely sturdy. This rail, jeez, she's always yelling at me. This rail is triple secured. A little ledger board into the studs. There it is. Now we gotta give these dogs some love. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Day number 2. So it is 95 degrees out. A perfect day for skating into a pool. All I need to do is lay some plywood on top, and I think that's it. So I'm gonna cut some plywood and we'll get this thing ready to go. All right, that was kind of pointless. Well, I mean, I got it off, but then there were staples in it. I had to take it down. I had to get the staples out, then I had to flip it because that part of the board was messed up. Anyway, there we have it. We have done it. We officially have built. Oh, there's a puppy. All right, so we officially have built a rollin' to ride-on grind. I'm worn out. This will not be the end of this. I think we'll get a few more sessions out of this. I also think I might make a little float landing ramp with a float and some plywood on top. See if we can actually get some rollaways. All right, you guys take care. Thanks for watching. Peace.